It's political and historical task of the European Socialists and Democrats to introduce a new narrative for the future of Europe, a narrative that brings to the fore the great values that are the historical basis of European integration: democracy, equal rights, the rule of law, environmental sensitivity, pluralism and tolerance, solidarity and the welfare state, creativity, innovation, competitiveness, and first of all, employment. A narrative that is based on the principle that European integration is a matter of civil societies, of peoples. It's a matter of democracy and public interest. It's only on this basis that the single market, the banking union, the common currency, the fiscal consolidation and the macroeconomic stability acquire their normal dimensions. It's our duty to respond to the different currents of Euroscepticism and economic nationalism. We must convince the citizens in countries in crisis that our Europe is not a Europe of austerity policies, of recession and unemployment, especially youth unemployment, that destroys dreams. Our Europe is a Europe of growth, employment, and social cohesion. We must convince the citizens in economically powerful countries that our Europe is a win-win situation for all, because everyone can benefit through the single market and a common currency. This Europe is expressed by the candidacy of Martin Schulz for President of the European Commission with the support of us all. We do not ignore intergovernmental correlations or national interest. Martin, however, can synthesize the democratic potential of the European Parliament, his deep knowledge of the issues facing national governments and the European Commission, and first of all, the anxieties and the priorities of everyday people in the 28 member states. Our political proposal has now a concrete human face, a name: Martin Schulz for President of the European Commission. Thank you.